मेरी रोटी की गोलाई माँ, सर्दी वाली रजाई माँ, मेरा पहला अक्षर माँ, मेरे सबसे भीतर माँ.
The dance is the mother of the art. The dance breaks down the distinction between body and the soul. Celebrating Mother's Day week, we welcome our beautiful mother who is also a dedicated dancer. Dances for laughter, dance for dreams, dance for madness, dance for hopes. She even doesn't need wings to fly. So let's listen to the successful journey of dance and motherhood with Jeenal Gala, the dedicated dancer. Hi Jeenal, so here we celebrate Mother's Day week with you. Thanks a lot for giving your time to us. So let us introduce you and your successful story of dance.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Thank you, Dhwani and Amor, for this amazing opportunity to share our experiences and inspire people through our journey. I am Jeenal Gala, currently a Purple Grape Dance and Fitness Studio at Sign East. I'm professionally a choreographer, a dancer, and a mom. My journey started in 1998, where I was trained for folk dancing to perform an international folk dance festival in US. The journey has been quite long now, with lot of ups and downs, lot of difficulties, lot of learning, lot of experiences, lot of people coming across in my career, lot of international and national experiences. It has been just beautiful. My journey started in the year 1998 when I first performed and experienced an international folk dance festival in US. What a great experience as a dancer and as a trip where I was absolutely independent and miles away from my parents. Lot of learning involved apart from dancing. I launched my company in 2000, Performing Arts Academy, with a bunch of 20 kids, and was quite dedicated and excited to start a dance career at a very, very early age. So, after pursuing my graduation and my master's in commerce in Mumbai, I left for my dream come true course to pursue my master degree in choreography. Carrying 12 years of dance experience, teaching, performing in a lot of UNESCO festivals, it was a great feeling within me to be a part of an international dance course with a bunch of 12 students from all over the world. That was another milestone in my dance career, and I got graduated in 2011.
So also tell us, how did the dance studio started?
I started with Purple Grape Dance and Fitness Studio in the year 2000 when I came back to India. That company had a vision of developing and innovations of dance and fitness courses and training non-dancers to dancers, making dance careers, and lot more, which I experienced myself in those 3 years in that country. A beautiful journey began, and of course, no journey is without ups and downs. All of them do teach you a lot of it.
Wow, Jeenal, that's really inspiring. Quite early your journey has been started. Okay, so we also want to know, how do you balance your work life and your motherhood?
With this beautiful journey of dance, today I'm a mom of a 4-year-old daughter. Equally, another beautiful journey of life. Balancing work life and motherhood is a task in any woman's life. When I conceived my baby, I did promise one thing to myself, that I would definitely find a formula to balance both these lives comfortably and happily. I did hear from a lot of other mothers saying that they had to give up their work life, their goals, their dreams because they had a baby to nurture. I believe that it's just a simple little formula which you need to apply to your life, but you can't give up on your goals. It is so difficult to cope up with your work and your career after a break of good 5 to 6 years. The only simple formula that I applied to make this both the roles absolutely balanced and comfortable was my efficiency, my dedication, and get rid of any sort of laziness. Of course, there were certain compromises done on my personal front and social front, but that was worth it. And in India, we all are blessed with the external help and our external family, who would be our biggest supporting system.
That's true. Dedication has given us many successful stories. Okay, so has lockdown been a boon or a blessing for you?
This lockdown has been an absolute blessing because I never got such a quality long hours with my daughter without any work calls or any external factors bothering me. One thing that I must promise today is to have a day off in a week where you live in a life like a lockdown. And it's such a great experience to teach and to learn. Thank you so much, all the mums. Be dedicated. Don't give up on your dreams. Find the way out. Find your formula to work it out. Thank you so much and love you all.
Definitely, it's a blessing. Okay, and the last to go, what is the mantra of your life?
My mantra of life is only one single word: dedication. If you are dedicated to anything, whether it's motherhood, your work, your studies, you would make sure that you find the way out to achieve it.
Wow, that's really inspiring. Thank you, Jinal Gala, for giving us your precious time and sharing to all the beautiful mothers over there. I hope they are really inspired and motivated by your thoughts. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.